Dear students, I am going to discuss how 8051 can be used for serial communication. 8051 is connected to PC through RS-232 cable. This is the 8051 microcontroller kit supplied by ESA company name, and it is having the power supply connection from an adapter which is supplying plus 5 volts to 8051 IC, and this has a reset button to reset microcontroller, and these two are the external hardware interrupts. 8051 has 4 ports. You can also connect it through these pins to the ports. Since no other interfacing card is required for serial communication, just the 8051 kit is connected to PC for serial communication. This is the question given in part B of your lab syllabus. Light C program to transmit to receive set of characters serially by interfacing 8051 to a terminal. 8051 transmit pin is connected to receive pin of PC and transmit pin of PC is connected to receive pin and ground common connection. All this is done through RS-232 cable. 8051 has a power connection. PC also has a power connection. Both are data terminal equipment. Since RS-232 cannot give TTL voltage logic level, a MAX232 IC will be there in the kit itself to convert to TTL voltage logic level. These are the steps we need to follow in order for a serial communication between the computer and the microcontroller. So first you have to set the mode 1 in SCON register for transmitting 8-bit data, one start bit and one stop bit, and then set the baud rate for 9600. The default baud rate generator is timer 1. Then for transmission and reception of data, we have to write the program. For after transmitting the characters from 8051, a hyper terminal has to be used in order to see the characters which is transmitted from 8051. To see on the hyper terminal, these are the following steps we have to follow, and which will be shown through a video. So this is the project. Open the project, add the two transmit receive program which is shown here, add it to the target. I have taken already existing target only. You have to save the C program as .c file, not .asm. So I have given the name for transmitting characters trans.c. For receiving, I have given srreceive.c. sercv.c. So for serial communication, set the baud rate. Set the target. Options for target. Give the crystal frequency 11.0592 megahertz frequency, and then output create hex file. If you are using FlashMagic, it is helpful. We require a hex file there, and then go to debug. Select the keel monitor 51 driver. Go to settings. And select COM1 there. There will be a set of COM ports. Select the COM port which you have connected to PC, which you can check from properties. And then baud rate, you set it to 9600. Once again, I will repeat the settings. In debug, select keel monitor, go to settings, select from a set of COM ports COM1, and then from a set of baud rates 9600, say OK. So you have set the target. Now you have to build the target. You have to build target only for transmit.c. So if you build target like this, when you have connected both the programs there, build the target for receive.c. The first we'll remove that receive.c. The only transmit.c program, save, and then you are going to build the target for checking the errors. So you have to debug the program. If you get this message, reset the controller and try again. Open this serial window, run the program. We will get the message on the serial window. Stop debugging. Minimize this window. Go to start, all programs, and that accessories, and then communication, hyper terminal. Select this. Give a new connection, give some name, say R. I have typed R. OK. The connection is to COM1. Select COM1. Then you have to select the properties, set the baud rate to 9600 as we have written the program for that. Data bit is 8, parity is none, stop bit 1, flow control you have to select none, and then apply. OK. So now you can see on the screen it is being transmitted as microcontroller lab. Receiving, once again follow the same procedure. Open the project. I'm just opening the existing project. I'm going to add receive.c, which I have already saved. So in this program is written for reception, which also has LCD initialization and display of LCD. So you know why it is required to initialize LCD to place the cursor position, and also connection of LCD to 8051 is also shown here in the program. So in the main program for receiving only it's written, where we have initialization for timer, for baud rate, SCON register for selecting the mode, and SBUF register which is receiving the characters. And then RS register select enable and read write pin of LCD is connected to 8051, which is also declared in the beginning of the program. Now you build, first set the options for target, build target, then options for target, right click on target, options for target, type the crystal frequency 11.0592 MHz, go to debug, select key monitor 51 driver, not simulator, go to settings, then select COM port 1 and 9600 baud rate like how you did for transmission, and then you say OK. Now go to debug, start and stop execution. Since 8051 kit is not reset, it is showing like that. 8051 kit, if you reset and then you press try again, which will connect, and then You can see the workspace, project workspace. Now you run the program, the same procedure. After running the program, stop debugging, then close the program. After closing the program, you have to open the hyperterminal, same start, all programs, accessories, communication, hyperterminal. Give the connection name. Select COM port 1. OK. Baud rate 8-bit data. Parity none. Stop bit 1. Flow control none. Apply. OK. So this is the hyperterminal. Next, you will see the video how it's receiving the characters. Connection given to select COM1. OK. Then you have to set the properties, that is 9600, data bits 8, parity none, stop bits 1, hardware none. Apply. OK. So now you can see you have to wait for the cursor to appear on the LCD screen, because a delay is given. There will be a delay. So once the cursor appears, you can type the characters. So you can see the cursor position here. Okay, because it is in the second line. If you want, you can remove this also. I can remove using backspace. I will not do it. I will just type the characters. See, I am typing A, S, D, F. As you type from